Hello, my name is Christina. Welcome to another video of mine. This time I wanted to make a video which will be more instructional in nature. So I'm pretty sure a lot of you would love to know how to frame your own art at home, but have never done that before. So I'll be showing you what materials you're going to need to do that and how to frame your own art from start to finish. The materials which you will need are picture hanging cord or wire, D-rings, this is where you will thread the hanging cord or wire through, frame turn buttons, this will hold your canvas or panel backing board in place, two types of screws, one will be larger for the D-rings and the other type of screws will be smaller for the turn buttons, at least in my case. And you will also need two different sizes of screwdrivers. The hanging cords come in different sizes, different thicknesses. I got the thinnest one, which is 1.5 millimeters, and this is because I'm going to do a double thread through the D-rings. This vintage frame already came with two D-rings, but they were set in a horizontal position, and since my painting is in a vertical position, I need to remove the old D-rings before applying new ones. First, I'm going to lay out the turn buttons to where I would like them to go. I put 3 on each of the long sides and 1 on the each shorter sides. Now I'm going to make some measurements to make sure that everything is nice and even. You can make the markings where your turn buttons will go with a pencil, pen, it doesn't really matter too much. And now you can start screwing the turn buttons into the frame. I didn't screw them extremely tightly because you need to be able to move the turn buttons around. If you fasten it too tightly, you won't be able to move them. Now that the turn buttons are all into place, we can start applying the D-rings into the frame. This is where your cord or wire will go through. I threaded the cord through the D-rings and I am going to check where I will want it to hang. I am making a knot to secure it and make that knot really tight. Pull both ends to make sure it doesn't undo itself. And here is the hand painting complete. I hope this was helpful for you. I hope you learned something and hopefully you now know how to hang your own paintings in a frame.